Welcome to our video on augmented reality in field service management. In this video, we'll discuss the latest developments in field service management and how augmented reality, AR, is transforming the way we manage work orders. Augmented reality is a technology that superimposes computer-generated images into the real world. It has several applications in the domain of field service management. For example, field service providers can use AR to provide technicians with virtual overlays of equipment and devices that need repairs, allowing them to visualize and identify the problem areas more easily. AR also allows technicians to access step-by-step repair instructions, making it easier for them to perform complex repairs. This improves the efficiency of field service repairs and reduces the time it takes to complete repairs, saving businesses both time and money. One of the biggest benefits of AR in field service management is that it can help reduce the need for expensive equipment and tools. By using AR overlays, technicians can see the internal workings of devices and equipment without disassembling them, reducing the risk of damage. Another benefit of AR in field service is that it allows for remote assistance and collaboration. For example, a technician in one location can use AR to communicate with a remote expert in real time, who can provide guidance and support for complex repairs. Additionally, AR can give customers greater transparency and control over their field service experiences. For instance, customers can use AR-enabled devices to see the progress of repairs and maintenance in real time. This provides customers with greater visibility into the work being done, which can help build trust and confidence in the service provider. Moreover, AR can help reduce the need for repeat visits or follow-ups by providing technicians with detailed instructions or information about the customer's equipment. By having access to such information, technicians can come better prepared to resolve issues on the first visit, reducing the need for multiple visits and improving the overall customer experience. Finally, AR can be used to provide customers with self-service options, such as online manuals, troubleshooting guides, or instructional videos. This empowers customers to take a more active role in resolving issues, which can improve their satisfaction with the service provider. AR is already used in several industries, including healthcare, manufacturing, and automotive. In field service management, AR is used to improve work orders' accuracy and efficiency. In fact, according to a report by PTC, companies that use AR in field service management have seen a 34% increase in productivity and a 32% reduction in repair time. The development of AR in field service management is ongoing, and several new technologies are being explored. For example, companies are developing smart glasses that can provide technicians with hands-free access to AR overlays, making it even easier to access repair instructions and other information. In addition, companies are exploring the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, to enhance the capabilities of AR in field service management. For example, AI and ML can analyze data from sensors and other sources, providing technicians with real-time insights and predictions about equipment failures and other issues. In the future, AR is expected to become an even more important tool in field service management. Companies will continue to develop new technologies that enhance the capabilities of AR, such as wearable devices and improved software. Additionally, the use of AR will become more widespread as companies begin to recognize its benefits in improving work efficiency, reducing repair time, and lowering costs. Augmented reality is transforming how we manage work orders in field service management. By providing technicians with virtual overlays of equipment and devices, AR improves the accuracy and efficiency of repairs, reduces repair time, and lowers costs. As the development of AR technology continues, we can expect to see even more benefits in field service management. Thank you for watching our video on the future of field service and how augmented reality is transforming work orders. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into AR's benefits in field service and its potential. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on the latest developments in field service management.